Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to turn on or off Windows permissions in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Press the Windows key +I on your keyboard, or right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on Privacy. Scroll down to the Windows Permissions section, where you'll see different categories like General, Speech, Inking and Typing Personalization, etc. Select the category you want to manage. After selecting a category, you will see a list of settings. Choose the setting you want to change. Use the toggle switch to turn it on or off as needed. By following these steps, you can control Windows permissions on your device, enhancing your privacy and security. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.